What's up guys, it's Kyle with Vulcan Bikes, and today we're going to be taking a look at the OG.
This isn't your everyday e-bike. The OG is a top-notch e-bike for enthusiasts and extreme adventurers. Starting off, we're going to take a look at the frame.
The frame on the OG is composed of aluminum alloy 6061, meaning it's highly resistant to stress and corrosion.
Like all Vulcan bikes, the OG is weather sealed at a rating of IP65, meaning it's suitable for all sorts of riding conditions. On the OG, there's also going to be full suspension and a rear adjustable monoshock, translating to a cushy ride.
This all-wheel drive bike comes with dual 1000-watt hub motors, each with peak outputs being 1850 watts for a combined 3.7 kilowatts.
And for these power-hungry motors, we've included dual 52-volt batteries composed of Samsung cells, each rated at 15 amp hours and 20 amp hours,
for a combined total of 35 amp hours.
The biggest draw on this bike is going to be the sheer amount of speed and power. The dual 1000-watt motors deliver assertive torque, capable for carrying an extra passenger and cargo up steep inclines. And where the power is drawn from is just as important. A 52-volt battery is ideal for efficiency and longevity because they can rapidly pull energy at high volumes and keep charge over longer duration. With two batteries and 35 amp hours, you're sure to get up to 90 miles of range, depending on riding conditions and rider weight.
The all-wheel drive function of this bike can be easily changed by a flip of a switch between front wheel, rear wheel, or all-wheel drive.
Because we intended for you to take the road less travel, we've outfitted the bike with knobby off-road fat tires. These grippy tires are suitable for all sorts of riding conditions and will give you the traction you need. To further outfit the ability to climb grades, the OG has a Shimano Altus 7-speed derailleur that can be adjusted through the thumb shifter. This is especially helpful if you plan on bringing a friend or riding on unpaved roads.
One of my favorite features about this bike is the LCD display. This color display brings you real-time data about what's going on in your bike. Integrated into the display is also a USB port. This is useful for keeping your phone, speaker, or other devices charged up while you ride. On this bike, we've included dual piston Tektro hydraulic brakes,
known for their exceptional handling and stopping power. And for extra safety, brake inhibitors have been added when fully depressed so that you can make a complete stop.
There are two ways to use in this bike. You can either pedal like a traditional bike, utilizing the cadence-based pedal assist,
or you can use the twist throttle for pedal-free acceleration.
On the front of the bike is an LED headlight rated for low light and night riding. This light is sure to light up the road and any obstacles ahead of you. For rider comfort, this bike has been fitted with an elongated banana seat, comfortably fitting 2 riders.
And lastly, we've added flip-down passenger pegs for on-the-go pickups. Again, thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you out there.